there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are making lemon crinkle cookies, the cutest, most adorable, most charming cookies. I love this recipe. It is so simple to make, but so delicious, so delicate. The flavor of lemon is perfect for spring. It just doesn't get any better than some slightly warm weather and a beautiful lemon crinkle cookie. And if you happen to want a gluten-free version, you can find it on my website. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started by creaming together some plant-based margarine and some all-natural cane sugar. You can do this by hand or with a mixer. Once you have a light and fluffy mixture, we're going to add in some applesauce, a little fresh lemon juice, and some vanilla extract, which really adds to the flavor. To really enhance the lemon flavor, we're going to add in some lemon zest. This will add a very nice flavor to our cookies. Moving on to our dry ingredients, starting with some flour, we're going to mix in some baking powder and salt. Next, we'll add our dry ingredients into the wet mixture. I like to do this in 2 parts. It makes it easier to mix. And there you have your cookie dough. Taking about a tablespoon amount, I like to roll our cookie dough into a ball and place on a baking sheet tray. To give our cookies a crinkly looking effect, I like to roll our cookie dough in powdered sugar. And then we pop them in the oven to bake. So there you have it, beautiful lemon crinkle cookies that are not only charming to look at, not only delicate and sweet, but so delicious. I think you're going to love them, especially if you really like lemon flavor. If you don't like lemon, this is probably not the recipe for you. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time with another video.